One of the biggest problems with AI images is consistency. You generate one great character, then the next image looks like a completely different person. Today, I will show you a simple three-step method to create consistent characters using ChatGPT images. We'll create a reference sheet, generate poses, and then change outfits and environments while keeping the same character. This is extremely useful for freelancers creating explainer slides, story illustrations, YouTube thumbnails, and marketing visuals. The secret is first to create a character reference sheet. Today, I'm going to upload an image which will be used as a basis for the character reference, and I have the prompt already ready. First, I am going to upload the reference image. This is the image that I decided to use as a reference, and then I will copy the prompt that I have prepared for this one. I'm just going to read the prompt I have prepared. The uploaded image will be used as the primary reference. ChatGPT image generator will recreate the same character with 100% identity consistency. The following will be preserved: face structure, hairstyle, skin tone, eye shape, eyebrows, nose, jawline, age, body proportions. And I have made a specific instruction not to redesign the character. The style will be a Pixar or Disney inspired 3D animation style, soft cinematic lighting, and a clean studio rendering. Now, I would want the image generator to create a character reference sheet showing the same character from multiple angles: the front view, 3/4 view, side profile, and a relaxed standing pose. I also specified that the background will be clean light studio background and ultra clean professional character model sheets. I'm going to copy this one now and use that as a prompt for this. Okay, so there you have it. I think this is the character reference sheet. The eyes look a bit, I think that's okay. It should be okay for now. Okay, with that, I am going now to ask the image generator to create different poses. I have prepared, and it's this one. I'm just gonna read what I've given as instructions. Using the uploaded image, the primary reference character, I said again that it has to maintain 100% consistency between same face, hairstyle, skin tone, clothing, and proportions. I've stated the style. Now I've asked the image generator to generate 3 poses of the same character. So the first pose is pointing to the right, as if explaining something. The second pose is holding one hand up, like highlighting an important point. And pose number 3 is a pleasant surprise reaction, going to be full body, and the background is a clean light studio. I'm going to copy this now and go to this one. I have not saved this one, so let me save this first. So this is now our reference image. So I've uploaded now the same image we've generated, and now request ChatGPT to generate the process. Let's see. Okay, I think it has done a nice job. So there you have the 3 poses. The one pointing to as if to highlight a point, and pointing upwards, and then the surprise. Although I still think that the eyes could have improved, but for now, let's consider this as good. And now, the next part is I'm gonna request the image generator to put this character in a different environment and with some changes in the costume. Okay, let's open the prompt. This one. Okay, so using the uploaded image as the primary identity reference, it has to maintain 100% likeness. Again, face structure, hairstyle, skin tone, eyes, identity, same style. Then this time, I want the scene to be that the character is now working at a modern laptop in a freelancer workspace. I want this character to have casual freelancer outfit, a hoodie. Maybe let's make the hoodie, just for a change, yellow hoodie, jeans, and soft cinematic lighting. Okay, let's copy this one and put now the prompt. So it's not creating an image. Okay, so this is the character that is generated. I think it's okay, but I would have preferred the background to be clean. So maybe let me just say that update the page background is white. Okay, so it has changed the outfit. It's in a freelancer setting. So ideally, it should copy the same image and then but improve just the background. Okay, I think this one's okay. So it has the yellow hoodie. I think it has maintained as the same character. If you look at the hands, I think it's anatomically correct, so no problem there. And it's followed our instruction in terms of the environment, and the costume is there. So there you have it. If you want consistent AI characters, remember these three principles. The first one is you have to lock the identity, and you start with a reference sheet. Then you repeat identity instructions. So always reinforce facial consistency in the prompts. And then you can change the context, but not the character. You can alter the poses, the clothing, and the environment, but keep the same face and proportions. If you're a freelancer creating slides, courses, or social media visuals, this technique can save you hours of design work. And if you like the prompt, comment prompt, and I'll share the prompts used in this demo. And hope you like this video, and see you in our next video.